Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya and today we are again starting with a new video on QCAD. In this video, we will discuss about the modifying tools chamfer and round. Okay, these are used for avoiding the sharp corners or the intersections in your drafting. So let us start with round. First, it will ask for radius. So I will put 5 as my radius for the initial thing. And then let us check what it is saying. So the command is saying choose first entity. So if I select this entity as my first entity and this entity as my second entity, depending on my click, wherever I click, I will get a filleted corner on that entity. Now why this happened? Because the trim option is off. So if trim is off, that means the existing lines will be as it is, a corner will be added on that existing line. Okay, if you don't want that, if you want to trim these entities, select the trim option and then select the entities, you will get the fillet with trimmed entities. Okay, now what happens when you don't have the intersecting lines? Still you can use fillet. Okay, the only thing is these lines should intersect somewhere. Okay, so the it will get extended. If it is not intersecting, both the lines will get extended at one point, then the fillet will be added. Okay, this is fillet. And if you want to see chamfer, we will go with the chamfer command. Just beside fillet there is a chamfer option. In QCAD you don't have many options for chamfer, you just have length 1 and length 2 option. So I am selecting 5 and 10 as for reference so that we can easily see what kind of chamfer it is getting. And I will keep trim on. The trim works same as fillet. If it is on, the remaining part will get trimmed. If it is off, you will get an extra line which is added as a chamfer. Okay, so length 1 and length 2, I am selecting this line as my first line and this line as my second line. So what is happening? The first length is 5 and the second length is 10. Okay, if I reverse the selection, if I choose first entity as this and second entity as this, then here you will get 5 and here you will get 10. Okay, you can interchange between these points also, and this will work again with non-intersecting objects, but it should get intersecting somewhere. Okay, so these are the options which you have in chamfer. You don't have the angle option here in QCAD, but you can easily calculate the other length based on first length and an angle, and then you can put length 1 and length 2 in QCAD. Okay, so these are the two commands, fillet and chamfer, in QCAD. If you like this content, do share my channel, subscribe to my channel and keep following. Thank you for joining.